Hello everyone, welcome to the channel guys. In this video I'm showing you how to remove video background in CapCut using one click. So of course obviously important place the media on your timeline so that you have the track 1 as your primary one. Access the cutout tab, you can just click directly on the video clip as so. In the top right inspection panel, ensure the video tab is selected in here. And then click on the cutout sub-tab. If you don't have one, that's probably because it's renamed or moved. Here we have the remove background. And guys, in here you have two buttons, both of which, just like I said, is done with just one click. You have auto removal and you have the chroma key. So the chroma key is if your background is either green, blue, those kind of colors, static colors, and auto removal is what you're searching for. So you can just choose that. If you want to perform stroke, that means you need to highlight what exactly the area where you want the background to be removed. If not, just press it once and you should get it removed. So if you choose stroke, just download it, choose the size, okay. But as you can see, it's kind of very aggressive, so I just recommend doing the auto removal. And yeah, after that, you're good to go, guys. Enjoy. If this helped, subscribe as always.